In this tutorial we will learn how to automate a batch action. So let's get started. Select the image folder that you want to automate by batch. Then create a new folder and rename it Resize. Drag an image to the Photoshop so we can create an action. Then click the action window, create a new folder and set the new layer to a new action file name. The red button in action window indicates that the recording is started. Select image, then choose image size. Check the resolution of the image. It should be at 72 to 75% to make your image smaller. Then click OK. Go to File, select Save As. Then save the image to the destination folder that you create. Change the quality of the image to low. Then hit OK. Close the image that you save. Then go to Action window, click the record stop. Go to the location of the image folder. Then delete the file that you save, so the action will not overlap to the first image. Back to Photoshop, go to File, then choose Automate Batch. Change play to the action that you made. Set the action you create. Then choose the destination of the image source. Choose the second destination where the new image to save. Then hit OK. To run the Automate Batch action. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.